Walking upon God's green earth, I mean Puerto Rican Jews. Jews who are Puerto Rican, that's right.
Jew-ricans!
Okay, finally you got the vibe.
Hey, wait, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Holy shit! Wait, stop!
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's feature is regrettably indisposed. My associates and I will liberate this microphone in order, well, I gotta read this, in order to bring you an evening that will live in infamy. You know me as Evan the bartender, but my true name, drum pause, Evane. And I have bided my time so that one day I would rise from behind that bar to read you some poetry. My first piece is entitled, How? For the dark depths of my dungeon, you will find no escape nor reprieve. A poem in 3 acts. Okay, good. Let's begin. Roses are red, drenched with the blood of my enemies. Violets are blue. I'm beating you. So hope. Sugar is sweet, as is your tears, which quench my thirst for vengeance.
Wait. Time out. Boss,
Yeah.
that poem is terrible.
Are you critiquing my... All right, that's weird. Are you critiquing my meter?
Shit, I forgot my lines.
Do you need a script?
No, I'm alright. I came prepared. Lines! Thank you. Would you be a dear? Sure. Thanks. Continue.
Thank you. I actually lost where I'm at.
Only a Capicu.
Well, you won't find them there. Just mine.
Okay. You were supposed to say, wait, boss, sorry. Are you insubordinate? Insubordinate!
No, not at all, Lord Evane. Your meat is on point. It's just that you could use the benefit from some constructive feedback. That's all I'm saying.
No matter. It's all part of the plan. We have control of the microphone and a captive audience. All I'm missing
Change the cardboard.
is T-Bird.
Wait, the guy you just had us take back out and whack is part of the master plan? Worst plan ever. Everybody knows, first you use them, abuse them, then you murder them in the back alley of an open mic.
That man is but a shadow, an illusion meant to mask the reality. If you want a man to fight back, threaten his life. But if you want a man to show his true nature, threaten those he loves.
All right, so what are we gonna do with all these artsy-fartsy types? Torture? Ransom? Dismemberment? Yeah.
Nothing. We'll do nothing to them.
Ave Maria, what's the point of hostages if you don't do nothing with them? You know, boss, no disrespect, but as supervillain go, you suck.
Say what now? I don't even know what I'm Oh, here, yeah, it is. Perhaps onwards, time will reveal the villain of this story. Hashtag foreshadowing. I'm just reading the script on 8.
I don't understand. Ay, Jesus. I knew I should have listened to my mama, stayed in veterinary school. Well, at least this gig has dental.
Oh, dear. About that.
It does come with dental, right?
No.
That's someone's cue. I'm looking at you. It's your cue. Yeah.
don't know.
My name is Daniel Jose Gatambia Núñez Arriaga Costa Suárez Ceja. Bird. But you can call me D-Bird.
My hero, you emerge at last, saving me from potentially embarrassing human resources complaints. Now the time has come for you to bear witness to the truth.
Are you gonna monologue? Because the last guy that monologued, well, that just helped me escape in the end.
That's the last time I crewed henchmen on Tinder.
This ends right here, eBay. No more. Prepare yourself.
All right?
I'm good.
You cannot defeat me, D-Bird. It's in the script. Do you feel it? The air is crackling with energy. Half a dozen cities burn.
You don't mean.
Ferguson, New York City, Baltimore, each shining brighter than the last. Black bodies refined by mother's tears of mourning, fueling the midnight oil from the darkest night to the red trimming morning.
Those protests were peaceful. Black and brown lives fighting for reform in a world that has changed our lives forfeit.
To you, do they remain peaceful? Did their zeal not set their cities ablaze? Did their cause become any less pure when their inner strife became raging fire? No, D-Bird, no reform. But fire, all-consuming fire. This is the will of the people.
We will not find truth in burning cars and broken windows. We cannot use the tools of the master to take down his house. Violence is never the answer.
Violence? You dare judge the people when they turn to violence? What are the 500 years of violence? Pain is what lies beyond those burning cars, broken windows. Can you not hear it? The sweet agony. The mourning of all who we've lost. It's a cry, D-Bird. The cry of the wretched of the earth.
You would take the truth of that pain and turn it into darkness. The truth will remain pure so that I can step out into the light.
Light. But what is light without darkness? One defines the other, just as white defines black. You condemn violence even as you cut down your brothers in cold blood, like the boys in blue who see us all as thugs the moment we express some human feeling as anger.
Yep, that's right.
Justice is truly colorblind. I expect nothing less from New York City's light-skinned night.
Oh, we're not dead yet. Oh, yes, you are.
Yeah, you got it. It's right here in the script.
eBay, you and I, we're the same. Born from calamity. And though I, born of Puerto Rican blood, facing injustice, I'm still tainted by the color of my skin. It has granted me power, privilege, beyond that which my peers have seen. I have used it. I have used it to create change from within.
Using the master's tools to dismantle his house.
I know this power is taken for the very people I have sworn to protect. But does that Does using it make me a villain? Does it make you a hero?
Wait a minute, Puerto Rican.
Yeah, and it's...
I thought you just wrote about Captain America. I'm sorry. Given how you invested you are in protecting her, I mean, damn son. I'm a little more Puerto Rican than you and I'm black. I could be Puerto African.
Really? I mean, that's uncalled for. That's completely unnecessary. Low blow.
Sensitive a little bit? How curious, a man of color. A man without color. Wishing to be counted among the paupers. Though your skin makes you a prince. Improving. No, sorry. Do your people not speak fondly of improving the race?
Mejorar la raza.
You protect your identity with a red mask on your pale white skin. Tell me, do you prefer your privilege? With equal passion, you protect it?
I know what I am. My body is a memorial to both victor and vanquished. Neither here or there. Foxes have holes, birds have nests, but monsters have nowhere to rest their head. I, wandering upon this earth, I am alone.
Your conviction weakens, D-Bird. I can feel it. Together, we will use the power of this microphone to ignite a revolution.
Yeah.
Complete your training. Become the hero the people you are meant to be.
No!
Still, you defy the will of the people.
It's a cycle. Wherever there are monsters, there are heroes who will rise to slay them. But eventually, hero becomes villain, becomes monster. In order for change to happen, monsters must become human once again. No more heroes. No more villains. Only victims.
Don't lose your
Time, yes. Release him. Enough. We're done.
Okay.
This isn't over, Daniel Jose. Change is coming. You can't stop the will of the people.
We are not liberators, Evan. The people liberate themselves.
Yes.
But you and I, we will not fight for them, but with them.
Yes.
Together.
Perhaps we may still find common ground. Until then, hashtag we're frenemies.
Nice.
That's when you exit.
Yeah, that was a story inside.